Hey everybody, Chris Whitehurst. Welcome to a new video series I've got called the Tuesday Tidbits. My plan is to come out with a new video every Tuesday to talk specifically about a concept from the world of real estate. I know sometimes agents will use terms that the rest of the world may or may not be as familiar with. And so I thought a good way for me to educate you would be just give you a new term each week, kind of talk you through it. This week we're going to start specifically on the term of commissions. A commission is how a real estate agent gets paid. When I go to a listing presentation, we sign a listing agreement, and the seller gives me a percentage of the sale. In that same agreement, the listing agent is given permission to split my commission with the buyer's agent. The buyer's agent is going to bring us a buyer. And at the closing table, you're going to give me a percentage of the sale. I'm going to split that with the listing agent. One thing to keep in mind, that agents don't get paid until closing and the house exchanges hands. I know one of the things that will always confuse me when I bought or when I sold and bought my first house is how everybody was getting paid. I always thought that came out of my pocket up front. That's actually not the case. A listing agent or the buyer's agent doesn't necessarily get paid until the house closes. I have a deeper dive on my YouTube channel called the 3 C's. Part 1 specifically deals with commissions. If you want to go over to my YouTube channel and dig that up, you can probably see it. If you like what you're seeing, be sure to follow me on Facebook, subscribe to me on YouTube. Again, we'll have a new Tuesday tidbit every week. Next couple of weeks, we're talking about commissions, concessions, and conveyances. So you definitely want to check it out. More great content coming to you soon. As always, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.